Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cashmere cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who loves their delicate knitwear. Cashmere sweaters, scarves, and other items require special care to maintain their softness and longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cashmere cleaners, exploring what makes a great product and how to keep your favorite pieces looking their best. Number 5. BEAUTURAL Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. Tired of clothes covered in lint and fuzz? This handy device is designed to easily remove those unsightly pills and baubles from your favorite garments. It will make them look fresh and new again. This is suitable for a wide range of fabrics, including sweaters, blankets, and upholstery. However, it's important to note that it's not designed for removing pet hair. It is a great tool to keep your fabrics looking their best. Equipped with sharp and long-lasting blades, this product ensures effective lint removal. The package includes 2 extra blades, so you'll be prepared for years of use. They are also easily replaceable. With 3 shaving heights, 2 speeds, and 3 different hole sizes, this offers versatile fabric care. You can adjust the settings to suit various fabric types and bauble sizes, ensuring gentle yet effective cleaning. The adjustable height spacer protects delicate fabrics from damage. For hard-to-reach pills, you can remove the spacer. The safety lock mechanism also protects you and your family. What we like? This fabric shaver offers multiple speed and height settings, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. It also features replaceable blades for long-lasting use. If you have a variety of fabrics or delicate items, this is a great choice. It provides the versatility you need to keep all your clothes looking their best. What people say. The product works well. The cleaner is gentle. The product is easy to use. Number 4. Lona Scott Cashmere Comb, removes pills and fuzz. Tired of those annoying pills and baubles on your favorite clothes? This comb removes them instantly, making your garments look new again. It's a quick and easy solution for keeping your clothes in top condition. This comb is safe to use on all types of materials. Whether it's cashmere, wool, or other fabrics, it will gently remove pills without damaging the material. It's a versatile tool for your wardrobe. The comb is incredibly easy to use. Its compact size makes it convenient to handle and store. You can quickly refresh your clothes anytime, anywhere. This comb features a double-edged design for effective pill removal. It's made with quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. This ensures it will last for years to come. The included comb bag protects the comb during storage and travel. This ensures that it stays in good condition and is always ready for use. It's the perfect accessory for anyone who values their clothes. Lona Scott meticulously inspects all its products to guarantee the highest quality standards. You can trust that this product is made with care and attention to detail. It's designed to provide you with the best results. This is the original sweater comb, designed to keep your sweaters and other garments looking their best. It's a must-have tool for anyone who wants to maintain the quality and appearance of their clothes. Get yours today. What we like? This cashmere comb removes pills and fuzz instantly, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. It's also easy to use and comes with a handy storage bag. If you are looking for a simple, effective tool for maintaining your garments on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. This comb works way better than I expected. The quality of the metal comb makes it a great option if you don't want to throw down on an expensive electric sweater shaver. It removes pilling quickly and leaves the fabric feeling smoother and looking brighter, without pulling or damaging the material. The dual-sided design is handy. You can flip it and keep going when one side fills up. This works on many fabrics. I've used it on everything from cashmere sweaters to slippers. Works well, easy to use, doesn't damage delicate fabric. I've just used this for the first time on 2 fine knit cashmere jumpers, and it was brilliant. It easily removed fuzz and baubles, without snagging the wool, or any other issues. Just make sure to create good tension at both the top and bottom section of the garment, and this will ensure a good, snag-free result. Both my jumpers look so much better. I'm really pleased with the results. Number 3. Laundress Wool and Cashmere Shampoo, Gentle Detergent. This enzyme-free liquid laundry detergent is specially formulated for delicate fabrics like wool and cashmere. It cleans gently without stripping away the natural softness. It keeps your garments looking beautiful wash after wash. Whether you prefer hand washing or using a machine, this versatile detergent works effectively. It protects delicate fabrics from harsh chemicals. It's a pH-balanced, bio-based formula designed for 31 medium loads. Experience the cedar fragrance with notes of bergamot, rosewood, nutmeg, and sandalwood. It gently freshens your clothes, leaving them with a warm, sophisticated aroma. It elevates every wash, making your laundry a luxurious experience. Care for your winter apparel at home and limit trips to the dry cleaners. This detergent provides professional quality garment care. It helps keep your woolens looking beautiful and supple, offering a great alternative to frequent dry cleaning. Pair this detergent with the wool and cashmere spray. It freshens, de-wrinkles, and adds a cedar fragrance to your knitwear between washes. Keep your garments in rotation and mist away creases to freshen them up. This Laundress detergent is formulated without enzymes, phosphates, or artificial colors. It works efficiently in machines and is optimized for cold water. Remember to follow the instructions, avoid soaking for over 30 minutes and always avoid the tumble dryer. What we like. This detergent is specifically designed for luxury fabrics, ensuring they remain soft and maintain their shape. It also features a delightful cedar scent. If you like to keep your winter apparel at home and want a gentle yet professional quality garment care, you should consider this. What people say. The Cashmere Cleaner effectively removed stains. The product is gentle on delicate fabrics. The cleaner leaves the cashmere feeling soft and refreshed. Number 2. Impresa Extra Large Fabric Pumice Stone. Tired of dealing with annoying pills and fuzz on your clothes? This manual sweater depiller is the perfect solution. It works on various fabrics, making it a must-have tool for keeping your garments looking their best. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. This design protects your hands while maximizing efficiency, making the process smooth and easy. Keep your favorite clothes looking new for longer with this fabric pumice pill remover. It's a cost-effective alternative to expensive dry cleaning, helping you maintain your wardrobe's quality. This sweater stone is safe for use on almost all fabrics, including wool and cashmere. For delicate items, it's always a good idea to test it in a hidden area first, ensuring the best results. Made from durable pumice, this pill remover is reusable and built to last. The brown color adds a touch of elegance, and cleanup is simple, making it a practical addition to your laundry routine. What we like. This fabric pumice stone efficiently removes pilling and lint, keeping your garments looking new. It also features an ergonomic wooden handle for comfortable use. If you are looking for a cost-effective and durable solution for your cashmere sweater repair, this is the one for you. What people say. The Cashmere Cleaner is a lifesaver for my delicate sweaters. It effectively removes stains and odors without damaging the fabric. The gentle formula preserves the softness and shape of my cashmere items. Number 1. Yadool Wool and Cashmere Laundry Detergent. Introducing Yadool Laundry Detergent, perfect for hand washing your precious cashmere and wool items. This 16.91-ounce bottle is powerful, with just 1 tablespoon needed for up to 32 washes. It's safe for various fabrics, ensuring no fading or shrinking. This detergent is made from plant-based ingredients, providing a gentle yet effective clean. With a neutral pH, it's kind to both your skin and your clothes. It's ideal for protein-based materials, offering the care your treasured items deserve. Say goodbye to detergent residue. This formula rinses out completely, leaving no sticky residue behind. Your delicate fabrics will maintain their luxurious texture and original colors, staying soft and elegant. This detergent is free from harsh chemicals, ensuring the highest level of care for your fine fabrics. It maintains the structure and beauty of your cashmere, wool, and blends for years. Every wash treats your favorite garments with the respect they deserve. We use carefully selected raw materials to produce this liquid laundry detergent in small batches. This mild, low-foaming shampoo is suitable for both machine and hand washing. It's friendly to the earth and human beings. What we like. This ultra-concentrated formula is gentle on your delicate fabrics, ensuring they stay soft and maintain their original colors. It also rinses out completely, leaving no residue. If you are looking for a detergent that provides the highest level of care for your favorite garments, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The design is great. The function is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.